Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm here to help you to change the humidifier evaporation pad. It's located in the humidifier housing like this. How you access it, there's clips on the top and the bottom. You open up those clips, remove the cover, and inside you'll see the evaporation pad itself and a little flap. So you can turn the flap so that it's closed, pull on the tab at the top, and remove the housing. Now you don't replace the whole thing, you actually just replace this internal pad. These are $15 or so in the hardware store. Change them out about once a year with a new one. So then you put the new one in, reassemble the top, put it back in there, and then make sure to put the flap back. Now the flap is there to prevent the air from flowing through the evaporation pad and the humidifier in the summer months. You want to make sure that the arrow that's on this little handle in the winter time is pointed to where it says winter. If you have air conditioning in the summertime, you can turn the arrow so that it blocks the air from going through the humidifier in the summer. So turn the arrow towards the summer. This is important if you have air conditioning, but if you don't, it's okay to leave it always on the winter setting, which will always allow air to get to the humidifier. Do this once a year to maintain the efficiency of your humidifier.